Hello team, welcome back. And in this section, we will learn about the web tables in Selenium. We will see what are the web tables and how we can handle the web tables in Selenium. So very first, let me show you what are the web tables and how they look like. So we will open the Google Chrome and we will search for the Rediff. Once you will search for the Rediff, you will get the Rediff official website. Let's go to the Rediff website. In the Rediff, we will go to the money section. You see on the top of the screen, we are getting the Rediff mail and Rediff money. We will go to the Rediff money. And what is Rediff money? This particular website will provide you the information about the stock market. On this website, if we will go to any specific section like gainers and losers, let's click this. So this will provide you the top gainers in the day or week or month and top losers in the day or week or month. So over here we are getting all the details, right? The details about the stocks. And you see whatever the details you are getting, these details are present in the tabular format. This seems like a one column, this seems like a second column, third column, fourth column. And these details, the company and stock price and the change, this is looking like a row. You see, this is like Excel. If you will open your developers tool and try to identify the web element on it, right? Let's try to identify the web element on the company. So this is the company where this present in some tag tr. Let's go to the top tag and you see we are getting a tag table. The class is data table, right? This is a html tag table. Let me minimize all the things. We have a html tag data table, and as soon as I will keep my mouse on the table tag, the complete table including the header, this is all being highlighted. It means this particular table tag, table class, and the name is data table. This basically containing all this information. And you see this particular table tag is opening over here and closing over here. If I will close this, you see this is being closed. If I will open this, the tag is closing over here. And what are the elements this table tag have? Table head and table body. As soon as I will keep my mouse on the table head, you see the header is highlighting. You see company, group, previous close, current price and change are being highlighted. And as soon as I will keep my mouse on the table body, the data of this particular table is being highlighted. So this particular thing is called the web table. Here you are getting the table in the HTML format. This is not an Excel, not an CSV. No, this is a web table. And handling the web table is different compared to the other elements, right? Because over here the data is present in form of column and rows. So see, this is highlighting the complete table, this is highlighting the header, and this is highlighting the body. Now let's try to identify the XPath of this. So if I will put Control F, and what I will do, I will start typing the tag table. You see, as soon as I type the table, this table is highlighting. Then put at the rate class equals to, what is the class name? Data table. Hit enter. This T is capital. Hit enter. You see this particular element is highlighting the complete web table. As soon as I will click here in the XPath, hit enter, this is highlighting the complete web table. So let me open the notepad. So this is my notepad, and if I will copy this path and put it in my notepad, so what is this? This is the complete web table, right? If you will use this particular element, then this is a complete web table. Now let's identify, now let's you want to fetch the header of this web table. Then what you need to do, you see we are getting a one more head called t head, right? We are getting one more head called t head. So what I will do, I will simply type t head, hit enter. You see this is basically fetching the complete head, right? So this particular provide the header, web table header. So team, the structure is going to be same, right? Only this class may change, but this tag or this tag is going to be the same. Similarly, if you want to identify the second header or the third header, then how we can do that? Simply copy it, paste it here. After the t head, what we are getting within the t head? We have the tr. and within the tr you are getting the th, and you have the th, and you have the same number of th as the number of header. So after the t head we will type tr, then type th, again put the bracket. Let's suppose we are putting 2 over here, then it will highlight the second one. Putting 3, it will highlight the third one. So this is the way how we can specify the specific header, right? If you will put this particular string, this provide the third header of web table. On the similar fashion, if you want to deal with the rows, then definitely we need to remove the t head. And what we want to use, let's minimize the t head. We have the t body, so let's use the t body. And what this will provide, this will provide the data of all the rows available on your web table. So what this will provide, all rows of web table. Similarly, if you want to identify the first row within the t body, what we are getting, we are getting the t rows. And you see we have the multiple t rows. If I will put slash t row over here, then we are getting 1473 element. It means on this particular web page, this particular web table contain the 1473 rows. So this particular thing, what information you will get from here, total number of rows. Similarly, if you want to identify any row, like I want to go to the data of second row, let's put second over here and you will get the second row data. Copy this, paste it here. So what this will provide, second row data. Similarly, you can get any row data, and on the second row if you want to get the specific column data, you see row itself have the td, right, table data. And you see the first is having the href and the company name, second is having the group, third is the previous close and previous high or current price. So after the tr, what I need to do, I need to use slash td bracket, and suppose I want to identify the third column data, simply put 3. So you see we are getting the data of second row third column, right? So what this will provide, second row third column. So you see this is a web table, and this is the way how we can work with the web table, how we can identify the different element of the web table. So we have seen that how we can design the XPath regarding the web table. In the coming lecture, I will show you that how we can get the data of the web table and how you can deal with the data of the web table. So thank you team. That's all for the day. See you in the coming lecture.